In this video, I will show you how to import the CAS data into SAS On Demand. So first, open up SAS On Demand so you have a screen like you see on my screen. Also, what you need to do is download the data from Moodle onto your personal laptop. Then click the Import button, which is this up arrow button, and choose that CAS data file from wherever you saved it. I saved mine in Documents, so I'm going to click on that file. Then click Upload. That uploads the file onto the SAS On Demand server, but you still need to import that data into the SAS code, and I'll show you how to do that now. So now go to your Files page and find that data set. Here's where I put mine. Double click it, and you'll see a page like this. Now you could just take this page and press the Running Man button, and it would import the data. But the problem with that is that this is then kind of names everything as just data is just named import, and I don't like that. So instead, click this Change button, and if you change this word import to any word you want, it will rename the data set. So I'm going to call mine CAS data and click Save. Now I just press the Running Man, and that has input my data into SAS. To check that it works, open up a blank SAS file and say do proc print data equals, and whatever you call it, whatever you named it. I called mine CAS data. And if it works, it'll print out all of the entire data set. If you want to look just at the variables and not at the entire data set, remember to use a proc contents. So if I do proc contents, data equal CAS data, and run, and I highlight and run that, then you'll have a nice printout of just all of the variable names. That might help you decide on which variables you want to study in your project. So try that. If you have any questions or for some reason it's not working, please email me or come talk to me in office hours.